Hello! In front of me I've got CATERPILLAR S40. Today I'll show you how to change battery sound. Firstly, make sure to download this app from Play Store. Then open it, tap plus in the right corner and select mode between connected and low battery. Then select sound source between audio file and text to speech.
Connected.
Now give your function a name and a description. After all, tap this button to save your new function. Great, now you've got your new battery sound. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.